अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह या अय्युहत तालिबात। कैफ़ हालुकी? माशाअल्लाह। अना अइज़न बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। First of all, write all of you Bismillah. Bismillah means yes, in the name of Allah. Second thing is date. Second thing is date. Tuesday date is 7/9/21 and day. Arabic name is Al-Yawmu. Al-Yawmu. Yawmus Sulasa. Al-Yawmu. Yawmus Sulasa. Yawmus Sulasa means Tuesday. Yawmus Sulasa means Tuesday. Yes. Yawmus Sulasa'i. Listen, no. Yesterday I have explained ism and fail. Ism and fail. Yes. Ism is naming word. Fail is doing word, action words. Yes. Doing words, action words. Have you understood ism and fail? Today I am going to explain in front of you fail, fa'il, maf'ul. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul. Unzuri ila sabura. Fail, fi'lun, fa'ilun and maf'ulun. Maf'ulun bihi. Maf'ulun bihi. Rules name is fail, fa'il, maf'ul. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul bih. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul bih. Yes, listen. Fail means verb. Fail means verb. You know all of you verb? Give one example of verb.
Akala.
Who?
Shariba.
Who has told? Saima. Clap for Saima. Akala is verb. Akala is verb. And verb which is called in Arabic? Which is called? Fail. Which is called? Fail. Fail means verb. Fail means verb means fail. Fail means verb. Verb means fail. Yes. It is different the language. In English language which is called verb. In Arabic language which is called fail. Both are same. Both are same. Only language different is there. Only language different. The fail means verb means fail. You have understood fail?
Yes, sir.
Fail means yesterday I have given so many examples. Zahaba, kharaja, jalasa, akala, shariba, kataba. Yes. Laiba, too much fail example yesterday I have given. That these all are fail. These all are fail. Now after fail, look all of you, file. After fail is file. File is subject. File is
Subject.
file is
Subject.
file is
Subject.
file is
Subject.
subject is
File.
subject is
File.
file is
Subject.
subject is
File.
file. Subject spelling C. Subject. Subject means file. Subject means file. A person doing the work in the sentence, person will be file. Person will be file. Person will be. Suppose I am giving one example. Zahaba Hamidun. Zahaba Hamid went. Zahaba Hamidun means who is doing the work in this sentence? Who is going work in the subject? Hamid. Hamid will be fail. Who's saying fail? Without thinking. Hamid will be file and Zahaba will be Hamid will be Zahaba will be. Look all of you. Zahaba and then file Hamid. Okay? The Zahaba is fail. Zahaba is fail. Hamid is file. Hamid is doing the work. Hamid is doing the work. A person doing the work in the sentence, person will be file. Person will be file. Hamid is here file. Okay? Zahaba is fail. Zahaba is Hamid is Zahaba is Hamid is. You are not speaking. Something in your mouth? Why you are not repeating? Repetition is very necessary. Then it is go in your mind. Yes. Zahaba is Hamid is file. You have understood fail and file?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen all of you. Maf'ul bih. Maf'ul bih. Suppose file doing the work and those work doing the file, it will be maf'ul bih. It will be maf'ul bih. Look all of you here. It is working or not working? Not working. Shariba Muhammadun al-ma'a. Who is doing the work in this sentence? Omi. Who is doing the work in this sentence? Muhammad. Muhammad will be file. And which one is fail here? Shariba. Now tell me, which work Muhammad is doing here? Which things drinking? Which things drinking? Water, juice, milk. Which things? Water. So water will be? Water will be? Voice is not coming. Leave this one. Water will be? Yes. Water will be? Maf'ul bi. Shariba is fail. Muhammad is fa'il. Al-ma'a maf'ul bih. Shariba verb. Muhammad subject. Al-ma'a object. Shariba verb. Muhammad subject. Al-ma'a object. Shariba fail. Muhammad fa'il. Al-ma'a maf'ul bih. Now you have understood? How many words here? First word is Shariba, and Shariba is fa'il. Shariba is. Second word is Muhammad. Muhammad is. Third word is Al-ma. Al-ma is maf'ul bih. Al-ma is. Yes. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul bih. Sentence. This sentence is starting from. Tell. This sentence is starting from fail. So, which is called Jumla Failya? Which is called? Which is called? Which is called? Previous I have explained two types sentences are there in Arabic language. Yes, two types. One is Jumla Failya and one is Jumla Ismiya. Okay, if sentence is starting from fail, it will be Jumla Failya, and sentence is starting from ism, it will be Jumla Ismiya. So now this sentence is starting from fail. This is Jumla Failya. This is Jumla Failya. Listen all of you. Shariba is fail. Muhammad is fa'il. And Al-ma is maf'ul bihi. Now this sentence will be Jumla means sentence. Jumla means sentence. Jumla. And failya means verbal. Failya means from verb verbal. Failya. Yes. Go. Where is Fatma? Yes. Who is Fatma? Go. Go outside. Now listen all of you. This is sentence of Jumla Failya. The verb is fail. Fail is verb. Muhammad is fa'il. And Al-ma'a maf'ul bi. Have you understood? Fail, fa'il, maf'ul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Jumla Failya, first word is fail. Second word is fa'il. Third word is maf'ul bi. Fail, fa'il, maf'ul bi. First word will be
Fail.
second word will be
Fa'il.
third word will be maf'ul bi. Now all students write this in your notebook quickly. I am giving you only for 1 minute. Copy it. Maf'ul bi meaning is object. Object. Write this one. Shariba Muhammadun al-ma. Then draw arrow and point out Shariba fail, Muhammad fa'il, al-ma'a maf'ul bi. Then sentence is Jumla Failya. Quickly, yes, go. Say it. Sit, don't come here. Many sentence I am giving you. This is maf'ul bi, object. Maf'ul bi, which is called object. Yes. In Arabic, in English, Arabic is maf'ul bi. Arabic is maf'ul bi. Very good. जुमला ओके, जुमला फेलिया, जुमला यस यस you have not written. Now may I rub this one? No sir. How many time you want to take? Only one sentence. Write quickly, otherwise I will rub. You write first of all sentence, then draw arrow, and then write the name, then jumla felia. You have not written jumla felia. Okay betu. बहुत very good. Now listen all of you, second sentence. Second sentence is kataba yes betu katabal mudarrisu yes what is written darsa katabal mudarrisu darsa yes go to the fill it the ink go to Zainab ma'am from this side katabal mudarrisu darsa go from this side katabal mudarrisu darsa listen all of you kataba is action words kataba is action word kataba means wrote kataba means write wrote written write tell all three forms of write write wrote written to Zainab ma'am downstairs fail ये write wrote written the kataba is action words kataba is verb kataba is kataba is fail kataba is fail kataba is and look all of you this is first word I have told you in jumla felia first word will be fail first word will be fail second word will be file and third word will be maf'ul bi in this sentence kataba is fail al mudarris is file and ad darsa is maf'ul bi what is the translation the teacher wrote the lesson the teacher wrote the lesson the teacher wrote the lesson yes so who is doing the work in this sentence teacher who is doing the work in this sentence teacher al mudarris doing the work writing work the teacher doing in this sentence? Okay. And which things writing here? Dars, lesson. Lesson will be maf'ul. You have filled in? Yes. Lesson will be maf'ul bi. Okay. So write all students in your notebook. Kataba is fa'il. Who's saying fa'il? Fail. Al-Mudarris is fa'il. And ad-darsa is maf'ul bihi. Then sentence will be jumla yes jumla fi'liya yes jumla fi'liya. Done? Yes. Kataba fail, al-mudarris fa'il, ad-darsa maf'ul bi. This is jumla fi'liya. Now listen all of you. One thing more listen. Al-mudarris is fail. Al-mudarris is ending letter. Which harkat is coming? Pesh. Which harkat is coming? Listen carefully. Fa'il always takes pesh harkat. Fa'il always takes loudly. Yes. Alif lam is not there. 2 pesh. Alif lam is there. 1 pesh. Okay. Second thing is maf'ul bi, ending letter. Which harkat? Zabar. So maf'ul bi always takes zabar harkat. Maf'ul bi always takes fa'il always takes fa'ilun marfu'un. Marfu'un means pesh condition. Marfu'un means fa'il will be pesh condition. Rule is there. Fa'ilun marfu'un. Look up here. Fa'ilun marfu'un. Marfu'un. Fa'ilun and maf'ul bihi mansubun. Mansub means nasab, fataha, zabar. Mansub means zabar. Okay, fataha, nasab. So all students repeat. Fa'ilun marfu'un. Maf'ul bihi mansubun. Fa'ilun marfu'un. Maf'ul bihi mansubun. Yes. In which condition fa'il? Yes. Marfu'un. Fa'il in which condition? Marfu condition. Fa'il is in which condition? Marfu. Maf'ul bihi mansub. Maf'ul bihi mansub condition. Fa'il always marfu condition and maf'ul bi always mansub condition. Mansoob means zabar condition. Mansoob means yes. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will not write all things. Now I am giving the sentence. You write, point out fail file maf'ul, draw arrow, and then write fail file maf'ul, and then jumla failure yourself. Or I will check. I will check. Now first sentence, write all of you. Anywhere write. Akala at-talibu. At-talib means, akala means ate, at-talibu means student, at-tufaha. Tufaha means apple. What is the translation? The student ate the apple. The student ate the apple. Now second write. Fatahat Fatimatu Al-Baba. You give in your notebook some space for writing the fail file maf'ul between two sentences. Leave all of you some space and then write. Why you are not writing, ma'am? Write the sentences. Now I am giving only two sentences. You write in your notebook first sentence, then draw arrow, right here, draw arrow, right here, draw arrow, right here. Then jumla failure write, then second sentence write. Fatahat means opened. Fatahat means opened. Fatima opened the door. Fatima opened the door.